Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we thought we'd do a few videos of places we went to in 2023. If you happen to like what you see, please check out our full videos on our YouTube channel and give us a like and a subscribe. Yes, let's go. Go. Tired. Beat patrol. See Weston in the distance there. This is not be better than walking around the road, right? That takes about 3/4 of an hour. About 2.5 miles. At least there's a bit of scenery around here. And the tide's in, looks like it's just going out. Still see some of the old, very imposing buildings. Not right to see the dates when they were built, but oh, the old one. Grace? You? Have you seen that wheel going backwards? Cracking. Well, I fancy coffee. Do you have coffee? Yeah. Might want a chocolate. I said about drinking. No. Nice wide entrance. We're here for a couple of nights. No EU. But, the facilities very good. This is the main entrance. Why enough? We have a problem. As it says, bigger than it looks. 32 pitches for tents, caravans and motorhomes. Toilets, hot showers, kitchen area and children's play area. And dog friendly, which is always a bonus. Yep. Plenty of camping space. Reception and shop. Oh, it's like a shop. You can hire boats as well and buy clothes. We'll just have a wander around. See how big it is. There's Chris, he's the owner.